Here's the end result of our cooking, a delicious looking meat and potato stew, aka nikujaga in Japanese. Doesn't it look like the mangas? Let's taste Emiya's and Sakura's meat and potato stew. Are you ready? Itadakimasu. The broth has soaked through to the potato, so the potato is flavorful and fuwa on the inside. The pork belly is soft and tender and soaked in the flavor of the broth too, yet retaining the taste of pork. Let's try the konjac noodles next. It adds a nice harder yet soft texture to the dish. This lets you alternate between hard and soft so you do not get bored from eating this dish. Looks like the carrots are shining like jewels due to the oil it got coated with while pan frying it. The carrot is soft, sweet, and as you can see maintained its shape due to putting the meat on top while cooking and using the drop lid as well. The one ingredient I don't like in this dish is the canned green peas. The texture of the peas from being canned just doesn't feel good in the mouth. I'm not sure if it's because I got a bad can of peas, but it doesn't feel right in this dish. Normally it's made with fresh snow peas, but if you want to add peas in the dish, I recommend using fresh peas rather than canned peas. Other than the canned peas, I like everything else in this dish and I'm sure you will too. Here's a list of ingredients you'll need for this recipe. You can buy the ingredients to make this dish yourself through the links in the video description. Have you read the today's menu for the Emiya family manga, watched the anime, or played the Nintendo Switch game? All three have lots of delicious looking foods you can make and enjoy eating. The video game teaches you the basics of how to cook through the physical motion of the Switch controllers with lessons taught by Emiya himself. Support the mangaka and buy the manga when it's available locally. I'll have links in the video description for you to buy the manga in English and Japanese. You can also follow the mangaka on Twitter for the latest information about the delicious manga. Have you seen our other Fate Universe cooking videos? What would you like to see us make next from the Fate Universe? Let us know. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Until next time, see ya!